And since I spilled cat food, I'll show you how it works. This is how I just keep it a lot because I use this attachment for a lot of the dust bunny stuff and simple things and cobwebs. Ooh. And then there's another tube you can add to the length there. I just keep it stashed there. And then it's real easy to dump. You just push the button there, take it off, push the button on the bottom. When you dump it, it just flops open and everything comes out. I usually do it in the garbage can or outside in a bag, but usually just into the garbage can. Down there is the foam filter with the other filter below it. That one's looking dirty now. It looks like it needs some cleaning. Just snaps back in. One finger. Here we go. Loudness. Yeah, my place is a mess. I know. I got too much stuff. My place is a mess. Ha ha.